Hello, my name is Paula Restrepo. This is my identity document. Have you ever met a new friends during a trip? How did it happen? Once I was on a flight to Bogota and I made friends. Do you prefer regular tourism or ecotourism? I prefer ecotourism because they are done in natural areas. What is better, visiting popular tourist destination or lesser known tourist destination? Why? It all leads to reason. In my opinion, I prefer well-known place because people who have already been hit reference about the place. Did you spend much money for your last trip? Was it a fair amount? I didn't spend too much money because it was a family outing and was cheaper every everything. What is that most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? It has been anything extreme, but it was a type of fish that I had never eaten. Thank you.